All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's going on, y'all? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Please hit the like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. It's been a pretty good morning. I got here early. I did not sleep well. But like I was so tired when I woke up. I was like, man, I ain't had an energy drink in a while. Today might be the day that I need to grab me an energy drink. But I was like, nah, I ain't doing it, man. I ain't doing it. So I didn't do it. I got my tea. And feels like a huge win of doing what I said I was gonna do and not doing what I said I wasn't gonna do. Another win I had this morning already. I really wanted to trade SOPA pre-market right here. I wanted this so bad. Said it in the Discord and everything. But like either we gonna follow the rules or not, you know? Like it's the foolishness has to stop at some point. So I didn't trade it. And so yeah, I'm just waiting for our window to open and then we can do our thing. Waiting for that higher low or double bottom on the 5. And we will attack. And there is the bell. So yeah, I got SOPA, I got BNAI, which I have not put my levels up for BNAI. Let me steal my buddy Trey's real quick. And was 39. SOPA. What's going on? Why does it look like my chart is still trading in pre-market? It's definitely what it looks like. Am I tripping? That's weird. I knew something was tripping. It's 8:25, not 9:32. What is going on? That's weird. I was tripping because I was my scanner. I was like, man, it's a delay on my scanner. The scanner was showing 7 minutes. There we go. And I was like, am I the only one with a delay? And they were like, yep. It was my platform. That's weird. Okay. Looks like we're back on track. Well, I guess it ain't the bell. I guess we chilling for another 4 minutes. First time that's ever happened. I don't know if we trading walk today, bro. I don't know if we trading walk. I don't know if HH was here, he would say absolutely not. It's Chinese. Float is like 100,000. Manipulation. Yo, what up, Santa? Man, Sopa is fire. I wanted Sopa at 218 over here, bro. 3 pony. What's up, guys? Yeah, Sopa is looking like straight hot fire. Yo, what up, Focus? BNAI and SOPA. Yo, what up, Bobby? Up 18 bucks. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, Walker's looking sketch, but it's going up. Way to finish green though. Man, I was looking at 218, bro. Yeah, I wanted it real bad, bro. The only reason I didn't take it is because of my entry window, and I was seriously contemplating, like, I don't know. But I really want that buffer of sitting down and um not trading yet. Like I gotta chill first. It's getting toasty. BNAI at the open. $15 do look pretty good though. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, it looks pretty fire actually. That looks pretty fire. I'm gonna wait though and see if we can get 155 back in play or something. Ooh. Yo, HH. I was just talking about you when I brought up walk. What you think about walk, HH? WOK. Hold sober for 10 p.m. 10 p.m. All right. Ooh, sober. Man. Yeah, but we're gonna chill. We're gonna wait 5 minutes and see what's popping. Wave Rider, what's up, bro? Dang, both of them things just ran. What a nice play. Pond, what's good, bro? What a nice play. Stop looking at Sopa. Bro, it's gonna be a minute for either one of these anyway. Especially BNAI, bro. Look how much it went up. I'm not chasing it. Yeah, what's Walker doing? The slappage. Bro, you know I'm not finna chase this thing up. Golly. Boy, that tap to 155 pre-market was glorious. What up, Trey? What focus? Yeah, I mean, if that was the case, I would have hit SOPA right at 226, stop at 223, and we would have had a nice little ride up to 240. This guy, this is where the entry was here for me. Stop under the low. Was it 163? Yeah, walk is for sure. China special. Oh my God. That's tragic, OG. Damn, you just dumped. Would you get like stuck in some halts? Golly. Some rules hold you back. Yeah, for sure. This is looking pretty right over here on the one. Look at that super light pullback volume. Man. Man. I know, right, Focus? What up, Knives? Sopa's looking really good on the one. Man. And BNAI is still rolling. I'm gonna wait for the one that I'm really sure about. What's up, Weekly? I just wanna wait for the one that I'm like, I don't have any doubts about. Like I'm tripping over my fingers trying to hit the odd key. Yeah, right there off of 226. I feel like I could have took that right there over 230. Yeah, BNAI is like out of here. Nice. Okay, Bobby. That's what's up. Hopefully, I'm right behind you. Yeah, don't do that, Bobby. Pretty much every idea I've hesitated on so far this morning has played out. So I feel like my mind's in a good spot. Um, the main thing that needs to be removed is the fear that if I don't act now, I won't get a better opportunity. And I'm trying to mold that to like faith that I know that if I wait, I will get a better opportunity. It might be today or tomorrow, but I'm okay with waiting. I gotta be okay with missing that joint. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that right now. But I know as the morning goes on and as, the candles whip around and I don't participate, that feeling gets tougher and tougher to manage. Mm. Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that, Trey. Ain't no wrong with that. Last couple days of the year, just really looking forward to. I like new beginnings a lot. It's cool starting a fresh year, fresh month. It's a nice pullback on the one. Burn with me. Man, BNAI really chilling up there. You talking about 240? Focus. Mm-hmm. Nah, I'm good, bro. It's gonna come back around for me. It's gonna come back around for me. Inshallah. It's looking real strong right now. Mm-hmm. Waiting on that red candle, dog. Waiting on that red dog. Yeah, that's my chart up. Patience. We must have patience. What up, Draco? Walk might be making a comeback. This is actually pretty legit little situation right there. It's a little high now, but pretty cool. Walk not looking bad. I mean, aside from not having any levels to base that off of, but just the general price action. Yeah, I got BNAI up. I'm just that joker gone, man. It might be 30 minutes before that thing's tradable for me. Maybe 5 to 10 on SOPA, depending. Man, what's up, guys? Y'all hit that like button for me, please. Please say what's up in the chat. How y'all doing? It's like the third high, and it did barely went anywhere on that third one. So looking for that dip back down to 234-ish. Yeah. That joker clean. I hope it closes down low near 240. You think so? You look like scalper actions. You still don't like SOPA? I think SOPA looks great. It's 180. That's crazy, bro. It could definitely happen. I want this thing to close like almost at 240 on the dot. Come down and test 234 and then get back over 241. Oh. Mm-hmm. Nah. uh, hmm. It did not close as low as I was hoping. Low is 238. Can we break 238? Por favor. Come on, break it. Break it. I mean, this is 238.01 and this is 238 even. Technically, it's lower. Come on. Break down. Just hold on a second. It might have been all it get.
I wanted a more clean break. BNAI 168. Yeah. Yeah, that's I really off that 155 wick on the five. That's beautiful. Damn. I was totally gonna take this. I just wanted it to actually make that next low. But I mean, I guess we really got a double bottom on the five in that sense. But be patient. Be patient and wait for that thing that I really want. I'm ignoring my charts. It's a actual method to my madness. I trip and fall a lot, but there is a method to my madness. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh, yeah, I think we just completely missed this move. Because now it's like we gotta wait for a 15-minute pullback now. Blah, blah. Need the vibes. Are there? thought it was kind of dry this morning, but I closed my scanner at the open, so I don't know what's going on now. Oh yeah. Uh, Yeah, 26 sounds real young. Man, this thing sure walked the line, man. 226 all the way to 272. Yeah, thicker than a snicker. That looks kind of fire right there. Already late. Mm. Yeah, it was a nice little interaction with VWAP right there. It's all right, man. The morning is still young. The morning is still young. That's what's up. One thing I realized too, Trey, is when you take out the market makers, you don't see the limit up and limit down. I do like seeing that. BNAI with the wash down to VWAP in $2. The big wash. Yeah, for sure. I hope so, Bobby. Sometimes the patience in the beginning destroys me in the end because it converts to level 5 FOMO, but I'm feeling pretty good today. Just want to be proud of my executions, you know? And I'm okay with missing some, but I just don't want to take anything stupid. Yeah, exactly. So it's kind of looking like BNAI already made the move. And, I don't know, man. Nah, I think he was being a little lenient on me, Knives. That trade I took was right smack dab in the range of my lines. I guess I didn't have that up as a rule, but it's supposed to be bought at support. And yeah, that is true. That is true. D. Man, broke pre-market high on that move. I know, bro. Just over here sidelining, man. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. That's pretty nasty. That's like a full reset candle. Did no, I don't short. Only to the long side. Yeah, that was rough. I don't know though. He might survive. He had his stop in the right spot. Yeah, that Joker's strong, man. Let's see if we can push. Yeah, good. Back over pre-market high. Yeah, this thing went off. Off. Man, if this thing would have broke 1 cent lower, I would have got in at 245, 246. That's okay though. Just standing on principles. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. That was the only reason I didn't take that trade. Because I needed it to make a lower low to the previous candle. Even though it technically did on a micro level, but just had to pass up on that one. This one though, this was really nice. Man, it's just gonna go all at once, huh? Yeah, it's hanging out. Yeah, I can't touch it. I can't touch it up here. It looks fire though. It's just trading completely irrationally right now. Just straight bull gang. Yeah. Yeah. I wanted too much extra confirmation on that one, Draco. Yeah, it was. It was. Shoot, even off of here for real. That would have been a crazy risk to reward. Just taking that high and that low. Focus, just relax, bro. We're good. We're good, man. We're chilling. We're good, bro. We're good. Oh no, I'm definitely getting the one if I don't trade. I'm definitely getting the one. Yep.
Nah, that's how I did homework. I could have just came in and did exactly what I did last week and the week before and the week before. But this is serious. So I'm waiting. I'm swishing around all the stuff that I thought about over the last week and over the weekend, and I'm checking it out. Bro, Sopa was D1. I think Soap was the one more than being AI at this point. What we got? 177 to 250. Sopa's 226 to 326. Yeah, it's over a dollar move already from the open. I'm telling you, Bobby, this joke is rolling. What up, Micro Don? I like the new logo, bro. Yeah, Sopa looking wild, boy. Had pretty good news. Hilarious, bro. Is there any more levels up here? Look right now. Mm, 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 mm. Ugh. Nah, we're definitely on two different pages right now. Focus. On Sopa. Yeah, it sure is.
Bruh, I can't even imagine looking at it up here and wanting to trade it though. But I mean, I see the flag. It's clear as day. I'm just Trey has trained my mind to never. I could never. Hey, but when it's going, right? Like, just keep buying the flags till you get stopped and then walk away with the wins. Maybe. This is a nice little 2 candle flag, but yeah, I could definitely see another pop up to 350. Does it make it through? I don't know. A higher low on the 5 on BNAI. I would mess with that. I would mess with that. Might be another 5 or 10, but I would mess with that. Ooh, did you take that flag, Bobby? He jinxed it. Sopa go down the hole. That joker went pew, ripped off faces. Ripped off faces. That joker's cooked. Maybe down to 272. That's rigged. This whole thing is rigged, Draco. The whole world is rigged. It's all a game. You just gotta get in where you fit in. Dang, that's crazy. They said, "Don't mind if I do." How many shares in this candle right here? 2 million. One thing I got from Frank was calculating the amount of money gone through to see if it's big money or not. I mean, it's not really that hard to do, but 237 times, we'll say 315. $7 million in that candle. $7 million. This is technically the first 5-minute pullback. BNAI needs some buying volume. Looking kind of thin. It's looking real thin now. $295. Man, I just don't want to take the highest volume candle of the day, though. That's usually the wrap. But what's this low? 286, 285, broke that low. I mean, I could justify taking this, except for this. this is a climactic end to me. Um, yeah, I'm gonna pass on that one. Pass on that. It's got to show me a little bit more. Having a hard time regulating my temperature this morning. Man, that's a pretty sweet hammer time to pre-market high. This is just violence, though. All out violence. And a hammer time through pre-market high closes above. Nah, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. Maybe back down to 272 and VWAP. I ain't doing it right there. Come on, we just need a higher low on the 5, bro. Yo, Pond, how's it going this morning, Pond? You been in anything? I know you have. You like me. You got to trade. Well, like me on normal days. Uh, let's see what happens. My wager is that it does not come back up to highs, and that my wager is that we see 272 before we see what is this, 345. Cool. Okay, BNAI, you want to talk? Did I screenshot my trades from Friday? I want to relook at that trade I took, and whether or not my numbers should be at 1 or not. Friday was the 26th, right? No. All right. Hmm.
Order filled.
Love to see 213 right now. Man, 209 is stacked, bro. See that slappage? Actually, it's not terrible just yet. It's not terrible just yet. Two ten, then 212. There's 210, there's 211, there's 212. Can we get 13? Can we get 13? Appreciate it, Knives. I feel pretty good about it. Now we getting a higher low on soap over here. Like if this guy holds this guy. But let's stay focused. Come on, give me 213. Volume's looking great on the one. I like these pops right here. We just got to break some of these tops. 13 is a great level to break through. Here comes 12. Bro, stop asking for 211, bro. See, I set my wager 272 before 345. Here she comes. But I'd much rather be right about being AI right now. Much rather. Oh, look at 211 getting ate up. And it's back. That's why level 2 be making me mad, bro. I'm like, why am I even looking at this? If Frank was here, he would be like, why are you still holding this? I don't think we're going to see Frank anymore, though. I actually took a moment on Friday to go watch his stream and criticize his trades. And, you know, I get it. It was pretty fun. Straight debauchery going on here. Straight debauchery. Bro, we was watching the live stream Friday, bro. It was like, excuse me, I was offended at his trades. Excuse me, how dare you hold into the red after coming at me like you were coming at me, bro? How dare you? Where's Greta Thunberg? How dare you? I was offended, bro. Stop the cap. Yes, bro. Like, I took a screenshot. How dare you? Where is it? That ain't it. Damn it, I lost it. I know it's in the Discord. The exact freaking opposite, bro. Fam. Entry over here at 79.38. Position is still held down here at 67.25. Yeah. No. No. Nah, bro. Stop the cap. Stop the cap. Hey, Sopa over here. Back down to 272. I should have just bought that joint, man. But I'm going to wait for the higher low. Came right down for your boy. I know, man. Buy high, sell low. Hilarious. Man, I might have should have grabbed that joint. But it's the lower, it's a higher low. So, I mean, it's a lower low. So, it's cool. It's saucy on the 15, though. Actually, you could have just took that joint on the 15, man. But we cool. We cool. Yeah. Pre-market high might not have been the way. This Joker is struggling. What's this low? 96. Looking right now. Multi-time frame confusion. I get it. I kind of get it though. Looks like another higher low forming here. Want to take that joint again. Bow. Right there. 30 seconds left on this candle. Yeah, SOPA bounced so nice off 272. I'm gonna attack these levels one day, but I just don't have a. I don't have a. I don't have a play to dive in there. I want one, but I don't have it yet. And I think BNAI is about to crash out. And just forget about the higher low. That'll be tough. Yeah. I'm inching towards that. It's just gotta come with confidence in watching it move off of my levels. But I mean, that was a pretty darn good spot. Pretty darn good spot. Well, what's it gonna be? Yeah, it looks like you're wrapped. I don't know if it's gonna hold two or not. Ooh, that's pretty nice size right there. Is it shrinking? Yep, it's shrinking. Ooh, look at that. Nice, another Dirk entry. Like if I didn't get in here, I probably would have been trying to get in there, which could constitute the ad, but I'm a little shook right now, so support for the win. Nice little volume pop there. Yeah, that was fire off 272. Called it and everything, bro. And then just that's okay though. We still got some time. It could definitely still give me what I'm looking for. This thing just looks like it's dying. Volume and interest has left. Oh. No, I'm definitely trading my own strategy weekly. I'm just trying a different entry style. Um, to try to get in a little closer to support, which would have got me in like, shoot, we'll be up 3-4 hour right now on SOPA. To be right or rich. Well, the main thing, like the real sauce to this whole thing, is doing what you say you're gonna do and not doing what you said you were not gonna do. That's the real sauce. So missing a few trades today for the sake of doing what I said I was gonna do and not doing what I said I wasn't gonna do, in the long run is the big W, in my opinion. Yeah, I think BNAI is the one that should have been looking for 180s, not SOPA.
Order filled.
All right. Womp womp. But SOPA is now rolling again. Man, I'm seeing like look at that wick, bro. That's cold blooded. The dark entry I've been thinking about now, like if we see this level and it moves up, take the break over this close. And then Dirk would take some profit at the close of this candle. And then I think buy again at the break of that. And then take some profit on the close. And then this will be another entry, I believe, over this high. Which would feel pretty high, but not so bad. Did you? That's what's up. Yeah, 272. Called it and everything, bro. $15 and everything. What, you think they should be tighter or looser?
I'm entering on a specific idea, so I want to get out at the break of that idea. I'm not getting in just like on a general principle, like it's probably gonna go up, so I'm just gonna buy and use a really wide stop to catch any fluctuations. When I'm buying, I'm like, okay, this is marking the beginning of the uptrend, and when that breaks, I just want to get out and reevaluate the situation. Hmm. Yeah. All right, Weekly. Thanks for hanging out, man. Bruh, this looks so good. All right, Weekly. That's what's up. Well done, sir. Nice. Okay. Been gap down on the one. What is this?
Order filled.
Oh, dang, it only went to 203. I'm pretty sure I wanted 207 on the entry. No, actually, I wanted a break of the open of this candle. So we're good. Is he? I don't think it was a rare occurrence that we caught, bro. And then the old, I'm thinking about holding this for a swing, like. Stop the cap, bro. Talking about I'm doing research. The mug got a delist warning 2 days ago. Yeah, man, looks like a prime hold. Looks like a prime hold. It's cooked. Man, I really wish I waited for SOPA because this is
Order
actually
filled.
looking really good. Dang, man. It's still about to go too. Should have went with the better stop, huh, Trey? Right underneath the candle I ended on. Yeah, my actual trigger idea was 207 based on the 15, but man, really Trex. Red is green, green is blue. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I should have waited for the break though. Should have waited for the high. Yeah, it didn't even. What's this close? 203. Got in at 203. Yeah. Jumped in a little too soon. That's okay though. SOPA was the one I should have waited for, man. This was really clearly where the volume was at. I could have just took off BNAI. All right. I still want to pull up that trade from Friday though. It made a higher low. I needed to wait for the break of the high. I don't know, it's entering after a green candle is like I still didn't wait for the break of the open or the close, which was 203, and the high of this candle is 203. I didn't have the number in my head though, so when it turned green, I just hit the buy. Oh, you talking about SOPA? The higher low. This is the higher low right here. All day. Like literally stop under here and take the break of that. But this honestly is too big of a wick. Like you're already really far away from your stop. Yeah, trash stop. Nah, see, like right there, I like that. Stop under there, take the break over this high. I would be okay with that. Stop should be under the higher low though. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. All right though, that's a wrap, man. Max lost 2R. That's just is what it is, man. If I were to repeat today with the experience I gained from today, I think I would take this entry, the break of this close on this candle, stop under this low, or probably just low a day from the open. And kind of same here too. stop under here and then take the break of this close and run that up. And that would have been my 2 trades for the day. And honestly, man, looking for this bounce, this is the troublesome side of things. Once it's made the move and come back and now you're trying to get another leg going. I mean, it happens every day, but thought process on BNAI. I almost feel like I should have waited for the actual high too, because it never made a higher high. Man, now it's getting ready. But thought process, just looking at it making lower lows, and then we hit here the pre-market high, and then we make higher low. And but man, look at the volume on the 5. It's really trash on the way up. It's not what I want to see. I let the 1 pull me in a lot. Seeing some volume pops on the 1. These pops right here. But on the 5, it's literally not there. Yeah, and that's where I'm saying I got pulled in a little bit on the 1, seeing a little increase in volume on the 1, but I'm trading the 5, and it just wasn't there at all. Now it's starting to see an increase in volume on the green side, which, I mean, depending on where this candle closes, but yeah, today I feel like this is a most legit +1. Yeah, regretting this trade a bit, but I'm happy with actually waiting for the higher low. I just needed to wait for that to break the high though, to actually move up, you know. I mean, the idea with this is that we got a low here, and then now we've established another low, and then we break a high. So I just jumped the gun on this, but if this breaks a high, this is the higher low, and that is the appropriate place for the stop. Because I mean, if we're breaking highs, then we're going, you know. Um, um, uh, yeah, and then just looking, I remember looking at the volume and looking at this, how the volume's dying off, and then I looked over at SOPA, and I was like, wow, like this is rough. When I did that, I should have just closed BNAI right there off the bat. Right there off the bat. It's a chop in the range. Well, that's how it ended up. But this is kind of the Dirk entry approach. I just jumped the gun a bit. Hilarious. It's one thing I'm super like 10 toes down on is trading my ideas and trading how I feel about the market. Like I spend a lot of time over the weekend studying and talking to, you know, people that I respect in the game. And I get ideas, I get suggestions, I get all of that. And then I digest it, but I can't come in and trade something that I don't really believe in and that I don't have confidence in. And I like these SOPA trades, but it's literally like my first day thinking about entering, like I was thinking about entering over the weekend. So I just wanted to take my time. And if I wasn't sure, to just sit on my hands. I almost want to make the cutoff time like 10:30. First hour. If it ain't hitting. No way, HH. What's Holy Grail? The Holy Grail, yeah. The Holy Grail. Yeah, you just hey, today was what today was. Um like no way. I almost want to pull them up on the stream and we can watch the debauchery together. um but like I really don't care about missing the trades. Like it's so inconsequential. Cause I'm gonna catch the trades. I'm gonna catch the trades. I'm just trying to miss the losses and miss the actions that came from my bad habits, that come from my bad habits. No way, bro. No way. What is he saying about it? Yeah, it took a long time. It's taking a long time to just move my mindset from that guy who really just wants to sit down and click buttons and gets like a high from every entry to like really wanting this to work and being willing to just like pull back from all of that mess and just be patient, man. But I gotta attack my lines more, and that's where the Dirk entry's coming in. The higher low thing, I don't know. Predict and react. Yeah, like he's still predicting. He thinks he's not predicting because he's using such a micro pattern that it's just like a split second on the tape, and he's like, I'm buying because it's going up, but like my trigger is the break of a high, so I'm also buying while it's going up. We're still making a prediction. I don't know. Dios mío. uh, I had to unsubscribe, bro. I was like, this is straight debauchery. What time is 11:01? Why you still holding BNAI? Oh Lord. BNAI down 700. Yeah, bro. Golly. Hey, look like he got his margin back, Ben. That's wild. Yeah, I really hadn't done that. I watched other people trade and love paper traders. That's literally I he never has a red day. Who? Center Star doesn't have a red day, or Center Star said Frank doesn't have a red day? Hey, you see he removed that box that said cut off the trade immediately when it goes against you without thinking about it. He took that part down because we was grilling him. Somebody was in the chat now even saying, why are you still holding this? He didn't close this.
All right, waiting for the break of 3.
Uh-oh. Yeah. Makes sense, HH. Oh boy. You oh boy and me, Trey? No. Yeah, we're good, man. I'm happy with this. I'm gonna roll with this for a while. I wrote these down for a good reason. So I'm gonna really try to not change anything. Um, the higher low keeps me in the uptrend side. Frank day trading, I think. Frank day trading, yeah. Go check him out. um, yeah, but I definitely gotta attack the higher low red candle at support. The higher low red candle at support, I gotta attack. I gotta try to get it right off the line. And I think the dark entry is good enough. It just didn't play out like I wanted it to today. Mostly because I actually passed up the best I actually passed up the best entries and then traded BNAI on the backside, bro. We gotta super avoid that. Yeah. I mean, I really kind of want to bring the higher high back. That's what really keeps me out of the backside, is it actually making not just higher lows, but higher highs. Because if I was waiting for a higher high here, wouldn't have never holy grail. I mean, that's kind of been my thing for a minute, though. Draw trend and understand structure. Hmm. Hmm. Look at that, Trey. HHB preaching. That's exactly where I wanted it in pre-market too. That's crazy. That's exactly where I wanted it in pre-market. Pause. What? Hmm. Take down those trend lines. I mean, I'm not trading today. I'm done. The day is done. Man, if I'd have seen this trend line pre-market, it would have been really hard to stay out of this trade. Oh man. Man, but this is like that. Bro, trend lines are sauce, bro. Dang, back. What is he saying about it?
So ideally, I will have my stop loss just below that. Because if that's the support and it doesn't change, more likely than not, it's not going to hit my stop loss.
Frank. Yeah, totally, bro. Total salesman. Total salesman. I told this story a couple times already. But one time when I was really young, we just got married, me and my wife got this invite to get these free vacation tickets, and all we had to do was sit through this sales pitch, and at the end they would give you the tickets. And I walked in there like, I ain't buying nothing. By the end of this sales pitch, it was for cooking pans. By the end of this sales pitch, they have convinced you that every other pan available in the market is poisonous and will destroy your health. And the only logical thing for you to cook on is their cookware. And that's exactly what Frank does. He comes in and says, what you're doing is wrong. You can never predict the market. There's no patterns. There's no support levels. The only way is to buy off the tape. That's the only way. You got to do it this way. Everybody else is gambling. It's the only way. And it's the exact same thing. And it just like, to think that your way is the only way to make money in the market is crazy. It's crazy. It just, when people make statements like that, I'm telling you, bro, when people make statements like that, it just shows you where they at. Because when you've been in the game for a minute, legitimately, like, bro, the game ain't like that, man. It's not how it goes. I wish he had his chart zoomed in a little more so you can see them trash executions a little better. That's a lot of green arrows now that it done pulled back. Like, why is he still holding this joint? Like, if you scalping, just sell when you're wrong and get back in. Why you holding?
I want to do that. I want to jump in exactly when it spikes up. But the timing is what's difficult to get at times. Right?
Hey, Sopa looking saucy. All right. So, super clear, bro. It really is, man. Well, thank you, sir. Trying to grow a bit. Hadi? What's up, bro? I'm starting to think that might not be Hadi. What is it? What does HADIH mean? uh, um, yeah. So today's been a good day, man. I woke up super tired, and the first thing I thought was I'm gonna need an energy drink to get through my day. But I was like, nah, I said I was done with energy drinks. So even when I'm tired, I'm not gonna drink an energy drink. And so I made myself a nice cup of tea. So that was cool. And then I came in and I wanted to trade SOPA so bad right here. I literally put it in the Discord and everything, like, bruh. And then I didn't even have the trend line. If I would have had the trend line HH, it might have been in there. But I know my trading window is 9:35. So even though this to me is a beautiful setup and a great entry, we're gonna wait till 9:35 because I gotta have my stop loss, man. One pre-market destruction can destroy like a week of work. Literally. So it's just for me, I'm too all over the place when I trade. I gotta have my stop loss in there. So 9:35. I don't want to jump the gun because I've decided that my trading window is 9:35 to 11, and I'm actually thinking about shrinking it to 10:30. But we'll see how it plays out. The less time I spend sitting here waiting for a trade, the better. Because like the patience just converts to FOMO. It does. It has like an expiration on it. This is where I want to take trades, right here in this crevice. In this crevice of the triangle. So like somewhere over here in this crevice of this triangle, that's where I want to get in. You know, HH, you've always brought a lot of value, man. I appreciate you coming through and hanging out, bro. You've been a day one for a minute. I appreciate you, bro. You've been coming through with the catalyst. I did look at catalyst this morning. I did look at cat, bro. The hotkey is like, how can you not use that hotkey? I just wanted to look at the news just so I could use my hotkey. You know what I'm saying? And Trey, bro, FinViz. Like, I don't even think I need Yahoo anymore, cause just looking at the FinViz AI right here, like, bro, super streamlined, man. Hella clutch. Good looking out. You gotta have a pod, man. You gotta have a pod. I got a nice little pod right now. I know Focus was kicking back a lot this morning, but Focus is in the trenches trying to help your boy too. He just I think he sees the goat in me, and he's just frustrated that I'm not goating, but it's coming, bro. Yeah, FinViz AI is clutch as heck, man. Like, and then 3Pony. Where you at, 3Pony? Where you at, bro? 3Pony still in here? Frank, oh no, what am I missing? 5,000? 5,000? Oh my God, look at that red arrow. Yeah. Destructo Ray. Dang, I know when you guys be talking about my face when I'm losing. Oh man.
258, 257, the lowest, right? 57.
Now he got to double down, right? Good thing that paper money long. I'm sorry. I don't want to laugh at the demise. I, I don't think he's really using money anyway, so I don't think he's
Anomaly
actually
because I didn't see large order sizes.
hurting himself. But y'all seen how he was going ham on your boy in here day after day about holding red positions. Look at this one, green up here, and the red is way down here, bro. Same here. How you getting, bro? This man is a bag holder. Ah, Supernova, man. What's good, bro? You another day one, man. Always coming in with the great energy. Appreciate you, bro. And I'm not here for the technical advice. Like, probably most of it is like, all right, bro, chill. But so it's not that I'm seeking it, but yeah, man. The pod is, I love this channel, man. You guys, I really don't. Some people be like, bro, you think maybe it would be better to trade off stream? I'm like, nah, bro. This is my pod. This is my SMB desk. How you been, Supernova? I'm telling you, bro, it's literally child level pattern recognition, HH. Yeah. Sitting in a room by yourself with zero accountability, Hadi. Like, bro, it's death. Damn, look at that trend line, HH. This is basically your triangle, huh, TH? Just on a real wide scale. When you get to this little corner. He's still in SOPA right now. He's still holding shares. 973. And BNAI at 240. Oh my God. BNAI at 240. It's at $2. The hypocrisy, bro. That's why God don't like hypocrites, because it's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's disgusting to come in and say a bunch of stuff and then go and do something different. Yeah, I'm digging it, bro. I'm digging it. Me and Trey came to this a long time ago, but the rabbit hole has many tunnels. Yeah, bro, Munafik, bro. Disgusting. Disgusting. Wretched. Wretched, bro. Like, he was like, I don't even think about it. If it goes against me, I get out. I could never remember to put the damn lines in until way later, though. I need a way to remember. Um, I know you probably mad right now, Focus, but just watch me work. Hmm. It's the Santa strat. Just keep averaging down. Is he averaging down? What is he saying about it though? Bro, how? This is like beginner trading right here. Like these are the emotions that you're struggling with at the very beginning.
In a little bit, okay? All right, bye.
He needs buzz. Maybe we can help him out from here, HH.
All right, it dropped below, so
Maybe we can help him from here. I cannot imagine that he trades with real money, Supernova. I can't. I don't believe it.
sorry about that. I was doing something else.
that
I'll go ahead and sold that.
With these type of habits,
And wait. Just only thing I could do is wait.
with these type of habits, there's
And that's it.
no way. There's no way he's trading with real money.
So pull out like 1,400 out of
Unless
it, and
he's
then
just like
went
a
negative.
millionaire
Had
and he
more
just-
size. But
Just
that's fine.
doesn't
I was trying to
care.
explain to everybody about the level 2.
Bro,
It's really not that much money. It's fine.
he said it's really not that much money. It's fine. No big
We'll get
deal.
it back or more. You'll see.
Say you're gonna get it back. He about to.
So it dropped to like 238, I think. That was lowest. Let me see.
It's relative.
Was it 240? 243,
I'm saying, bro, this is like
244, 242.
he's still in
41.
BNAI at 240, bro.
That was the
As a
lowest.
scalper.
41.
This is extreme cap. Even Bugs can't help him, bro. Just chill out, Bugs. Bugs. Bugs can't do nothing for you, dog. Ah. Bruh. Yeah, exactly, Heidi. I'm saying, Draco, these are rookie mistakes, bro. Like, and I make rookie mistakes. I'm not trying to say like I'm above Frank in any way. I make rookie mistakes all the time. But I'm a rookie. You know, I I am also a rookie. I'm not going around preaching my message and preaching the gospel of my trading strategy like everybody needs to accept it. You know? Yeah, these are the things he's doing right now are the things all of us who are not profitable are struggling with. That's like, bro, I would put money that he's not profitable. There's no way he's profitable. With those kind of habits still on deck, he's still in the washing machine, bro. Big wins and bigger losses. The washing machine. He got me wanting to just close my level 2 altogether and just delete time and sales and forget all that. Because if that's all he uses, it's ain't worth a damn. Hey, being AI though, he might get a little comeback. I don't know. Nah, being AI is cooked, bro. Yeah, no, I'm just talking, but I'm just saying, like, he is not putting forth a good example of why you need time and sales in level two. Yeah, bro, it's easy to make one good trade. Well, no, it ain't easy to make one good trade, but you know, I've definitely had my days. Uh, I mostly make money. Yeah, exactly, exactly. Like I do. I bet he feels in his heart that he is just like Ross, and that today is just like, you know, Ross has red days, no big deal. But if you just go back through and watch a few of his trading days, you see like it's habits. It's habits. Yeah, there you go, Trex. Keep it 100. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I mean. It's just the fact the whole issue is just the preaching that was going on and the hypocrisy. That's the whole issue. I still, Joe, I just still feel like level two is way too micro. But that's why you only look at it after you've established, based on your other parameters, what price area is important. So yeah, I get it. I'm very much aspiring to learn level two in tape reading for sure. I see the I get it. Yeah, no doubt. I already did. Yeah, for sure. Tracks. It's the jig is up. The jig is up over here. He got 23K subscribers though, but the jig is up over here. Yeah, we definitely all been there. I'm still here, bro. I'm 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 still here. It's just to me, Draco. Yeah, straight up focus. Straight up. How can we improve today's results? That is the question. Um, I in hindsight, I would have liked to. I want to choose. I want to trade where the volume is. I want to trade where the volume is. And when I looked at both of these, um, clearly, uh, SOPA is where the volume was. So that should have definitely been my focus. And I should have hit 272 pretty hard. But this is actually, these two trades are the ones that I would, you know, like to catch in the future. This one, I literally just wanted it to break 1 penny lower, but it didn't really have to. It didn't really have to. It looked very good on the one. And we got VWAP, we over support, uptrending. Yeah, exactly, Ben. Exactly. So 3 calls with one based on you wait and no reclaim. Why did that happen? The pullback entry? What pullback entry? You talking about this one or this one? Yeah, to me, I only got three entries that I would like to take in the future. This one is the hardest one for me to take because it's a lower low. Um, but it's at a really good level, and the bounce should be decent if I can get in as low as I need to get in. I don't know. I don't have a way to trade this just yet. So I'm not even gonna worry about that. I've seen enough of my setups that fit this criteria that I'm not even gonna worry about that right now. But the higher low reds at support, I will attack. I will attack. Why didn't we attack today? I was just feeling, I mean, you call it being scared, but I just wanted to see it play out before I interacted with it. Well, this I didn't take this one because it's still making lower lows. And man, but the one was like, come get me. No stops, Draco. No stops. I wanted to trade this so bad in pre though, but I gotta have that stop loss, man. The mental stop. It's too easy for it to go past your mental stop, and especially if it goes past like it breaks past like 3-4 cents past your stop. It's just too easy in that moment to say it might go back up. Let me give it another second. And then if it drops even more from that point, you don't want to secure the loss. Look at that beautiful higher low on the 5 right here. See, this is where I'm trying to be right here. This is where I'm trying to be. HAG still in here? Let's see this real quick. Pretty freaking fire, yo. Nah, we trend lining tomorrow, bro. Definitely trend lining. Hey man, we gotta do what we feel, bro. I understand, man. I understand. Yeah, see, I can't roll like that, Draco. That's one of the things that was one of the first things that cemented in my trading journey was stop loss and risk management. Like literally the first 2 years of my trading journey, I was risking $25 a trade, and my average loss over 2 years was $25. Like stop loss was law. I was very proud of that. And my risk reward was 2-to-1. And I had 2 profitable months at the end of December of, was that 22 or 21? 60%, bro. It might have been 68. I gotta find it. It was beautiful. But of course that was a very nice market too. And I didn't have like a solid system to the point that it would evolve without me even realizing it. And I think that's what happened. I just kind of evolved away from whatever magic I had established, and then just looked up one day and it was all gone, and I didn't even realize it went away. Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at that. That's my bread and butter right there. Came down through pre-market high. Is this a higher high? For sure it's a higher high because that's the last high for real. Yeah, this is where I want to be at right here. Well, I I believe that the stops are server side on this platform. At least that's what they said. Um, I think that's supposed to mean that they can't see it until the number gets reached and then it sends it. Yeah, exactly, Draco. That's big facts. And that's why I'm looking for, like, really at the reversal, I want to see some climactic volume, which is them stop orders getting hit. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, and that's where I kind of want to shake the not getting in because it's a lower low. Cause that lower low, that's when the stops get ate up. You know, it breaking that low and making a lower low. Not every time, of course, but at that level, that's yeah, that's them sweeping the stops, taking the shares, and then getting ready for the move back up. And that's where like that the change in that mindset can get me in here into this trade. Like, yeah, it breaks the low, but the 1 minute could definitely get me in there though. I mean, the Dirk entry can too. Soap on the one. Yeah. Super nice wick through 272, and then you get this really narrow higher low right here. Hmm. What's up, trader? Um, all right, HH. Yeah, I need to get out of here too. I was supposed to stop the stream at 11:15. Then Frank came through with his debauchery. uh, no, I'm not doing the same thing, trader. I'm making adjustments. We're moving. This is the focus now. Appreciate it, Joe. Yeah, this is the focus now. If you come back and see this number at like 15 or 20 and I'm still scrub, then I want you to make that statement again, trader. So we can reevaluate the situation, bro. Look at that higher low on BNAI, bro. Freaking beautiful. What was you trying to say on the one though, Trey? Or did I say it for you? Yeah. It's heating up, Bobby. I really wanted to go in and attack, but it's just like it's such a fine line for me. I mean I can be fearless, but I only got 2R and I gotta be more selective because I'm a gunslinger at heart. Like if I open that door too wide, I'll freaking shoot a McGavin all up in this piece like all day. I'm him. So I'm trying to slow things down to break that habit and then build positive habits and get back into the flow. But the whole thing has always been me coming in and breaking my rules, man. That's been the whole thing. The strategy, of course, you can always make things better, but it's good enough. It's good enough. Yeah. So I really want to look at that trade from Friday again though before we get out of here, because we might need to put that thing at 2. Oh wait, I took a few trades Friday. Okay, I'm good with AMCI. Okay, this is the trade. Uh, nah, I'm not. That's a violation, bro. So I'm gonna stick with the one for today, and we'll just build from there, man. We'll just build from there. um, I'm excited, man. I'm excited because I'm actually focusing on the real problem, which is the rules, the breaking of the rules, and we finally are moving the number from 0 to 1. Like, what a crazy struggle. I remember Alex, my I don't know what happened to Alex, man. I guess he gave up hope on your boy, but um I remember him being like, bro, if you can just get one day where you don't break your rules, just one day. And we were weeks talking about that. Weeks. That's crazy, bro. Like a child. Like a child. My stop, I believe it was under this candle. Yeah, it was under here. I jumped the gun on the entry though. I needed to wait for the break of at least the close of this candle. It didn't even get over the close, let alone the high. So yeah, I just jumped the gun on this one. I could have definitely avoided that trade. It would have been cool to avoid that and then end up catching this saucy guy right here. But that's after 11 anyway. So yeah, we was done. We was done for the day. But all right, man, we rolling though. It's up from here, God willing. Appreciate you guys hanging with me. It's been a great time. Please hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord link is in the description. And holla at y'all tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, that's for sure, George. And that's why I got my max loss at 2R. Just to keep it tight, man. Keep it tight. But yeah, we gotta if I pop open tomorrow and y'all don't see no trend lines on here, remind me. Remind me. Just for a little extra perspective. But I holla. Peace.